How you doing today? Hey, I'm out here cutting down Boone and Crockett. I got Boone and Crockett size weeds behind me here out here in this orchard. Weeds are bigger than these poor little trees. So I'm out here mowing with the tractor. Tractor's behind me taking a break right now. But let me know if you know what kind of weed this is in the comments. I don't know what size or what kind of weed this is. And let me know what is the worst weed that you have in your area that you have to deal with on a regular basis. Just put that in the comments. Tell me, what's the problem? What's the weed that you have a problem with? I want to know. Out here, we got ourselves some big ones. But we're gonna mow this thing down. Check it out. Hey, how's it going today? Welcome to Surf and Turf Family Adventures. Today I'm going to be doing some mowing. All right, so got to do my routine checks, make sure everything's good to go. Greased it a little earlier. As you can see, got grease on everything. Greasing all the spots. Yep, that belt's fully cracked. Should be good. Got to check the oil real quick. Yep, should be good. Yep, looking good. 10 foot long, all hooked up, ready to go. Got all the major spots all greased, ready to go. Got to check the belt real quick. All right, so here's the belt. Looks good. Those cracks, those are just speed cracks right there. I don't have to worry about that. What about usually about a 1/4 inch. All right, here we go. All right, so what we're looking to do today is all these weeds, I need to break them up. So my goal is to mow them. It's gonna be super dusty. I'm wondering, I might have to walk the field first. That looks a little better. All right, we're gonna take a pass and see how it goes. So I gotta set up the mower first. So what you do is there's a roller back here on a flail mower. If you ever used one before, if not, I'll show you. So there's this roller right here. And then there's these skids right here. What you want to do is set it up so the mower is running on this roller back here. That's the strongest part, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm gonna set it down first. Hold on. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this thing back so it lifts the front of it up. Let's see what that looks like. What I'm looking for right here, I wanna have this big gap because some of the weeds are pretty big. Go, let's do some tractor work. right, I think I found my rhythm. So what I have to do is just kind of like lift up the mower just like a little bit. I'm getting some really good, really tearing it up. Then I'll come back through here and disc. But got that. I got a lot of rows. I gotta go all the way across there. It looks like I have to go up and back on every single row. So set you up, do a little time lapse. I'm gonna get dusty. See you on the other side. What a job. That was amazing. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you think I should have wore a mask today. I don't know. I think I'm all right. A little dust don't hurt, right? Give me that thumbs up if you think I should have wore a mask. And tell me how you take care of your weeds out there and where you live. Joseph, let's go check the sprinklers. Ready? Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Good doggy. All right, let's fix this here. Do this, buddy. Come on. Oh boy, Joseph's driving. Aye! Let's go get that thing. So what we're looking for, I don't know if you can see that, but all those little tiny drips out there. We're just looking to make sure that
they're working right.
Yeah, they were all working right. We want to see a bunch of drips.
If they're spraying, that means we have to fix it.
Yeah, if they're spraying, that means there's a slice, so we have to fix it. So. Alright, let's fix this thing. Ready?
Can you wash off my foot?
No, let's not wash off your foot. It's so loose. Ready?
That's so deep. This is deep. No.
Okay, there we go. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures, where we got to do a little bit of mowing, some tractor work. Remember to comment if you think should have wore a mask, huh? Should I have worn a mask? Got to fix some irrigation stuff, just regular old farm work. So remember to
click subscribe.
remember, just click subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Send us a comment. Tell us what you want to see us do next. What do you want to see Joseph drive next? Huh? He's thinking. Help him think about it. Have a great day.